Have you ever wondered if you could start a successful dropshipping business from scratch in 2023? Well, I certainly did. That's why I'm starting a new challenge beginning from scratch with just $500 to see if I could make it work. In this video, I'll walk you through every step of the process, choosing a winning product, setting up a website, pushing traffic to that website using the TikTok ad search scaling strategy, and hopefully end up with a profitable store. Now, I've been crushing it lately with these dropshipping challenges, but this time it's a different game. We're going back to the basics, building from scratch, and I'll give you a front row seat to the entire process. My goal is to show you that you don't need tons of money laying around to start a successful dropshipping business. There are numerous components to this business model, and each component must work cohesively for you to make any money. If you want to see if I could set the record straight, stay tuned for the rest of the video, and while you're at it, why not hit that like button? The first thing we need to do is find a winning product to sell, and this step is very important because if we choose a wrong product, then the whole plan is gonna fall apart. What I like to always do is open up TikTok and search up the hashtag TikTok made me buy it and set up your search filter so that you could see the top liked posts in the last 7 days. I'm gonna start scrolling around. Hopefully I can find a product that catches my eye. Exciting news! I think I found the perfect product that I could market and make tons of money with. It's this heated blanket, but it's not just a blanket. You could actually wear it like a sweater, which is perfect for the fall and winter time. It has a button on it with 3 heating modes to control the temperature. Something like this could absolutely crush it on TikTok if you market it right, and this is the most perfect time to start selling this product. Take a look at the Google Trends. Every year this product starts to trend around October, and you could see a little spike forming here, so I'm definitely going to be hopping on the trend this year. Now that we have the product, it's time to create the Shopify website. I'm going to be using the special link in my description to get a free trial for Shopify. This will allow me to set up a Shopify store for only $1 a month for 3 months. I'm going to go ahead and start building the website. In the meantime, enjoy this time lapse. Alright, so I just finished building the website. It took about 4 hours to build, and I had to spend another $15 for the domain name. I'm gonna show you a quick tour of the website. I've decided to go with the brand name Toasty Knit. I think it's a clever name, and the domain name was available for me. Here's the home page. If you couldn't tell, I'm using the free Dawn theme, which is what I use for every dropshipping store I build. Now let's dive into the product page because that's the most important part, obviously. Starting from the top, we have a few images here that I custom made with Canva. I set the selling price to $79.99 with free shipping. My product cost from the supplier to the customer is around $24, and I usually like to sell items for 3x, which is why I went for this price point. And as always, I'm using an app code Looks to display reviews and an app code estimated delivery time to show the customers when the product is going to arrive to their doorstep. This is going to help increase the conversion rate. Scrolling down, we could see a GIF showcasing the product in action, custom headlines that I designed with Canva to highlight the features and benefits of this product. Along with that, we have short descriptions and more images. We have a FAQ section, and I use ChatGPT to help me write this stuff. We have some customer reviews that I imported from AliExpress. If you want to have a super nice website similar to this, I will personally build one for you if you're interested. I've been getting tons of messages and emails from people asking me to help them build their website. Now is the chance we could work one-on-one. This is the first time I'm offering this service. Keep in mind, I can't be building websites forever, so this is only available for the next 30 people who sign up. Click the link in the description if you want to get started. Anyways, now that we have the website, it's time to get some TikTok video ads for this product. Since I still have $484 left to work with, I've decided that I'm gonna spend some of that money on hiring someone else to create those video ads for me. The best place to go if you need high converting TikTok ads is is shopifyads.com. They have a team of beautiful models that are trained to create high converting TikTok ads. I'm gonna order this package right here. It's 5 TikTok video ads for only $160. That is a deal that you can't get anywhere else. All you have to do is answer a few simple questions and then use Amazon to ship a sample product to their address, and they'll take care of researching your product, scripting, recording the videos, and editing the TikToks for you. So I'm gonna go ahead and purchase this right now. So I just spent $160 on Shopify ads plus another $70 to ship the heated blanket to the creator. That leaves me with a budget of $254 left in this challenge. So far, I have spent half of the $500 budget, but I'm not too worried because later on, I'm gonna show you how you could get free TikTok advertising credit, which is basically free money we could use for advertising. In the meantime, I have to wait a few days to get the TikTok ads. I'll update you guys as soon as I get them. Alright, so it's been a few days and I finally received the 5 video ads. Let's check out one of them. That was actually really good. I got exactly what I paid for. A beautiful girl recording TikTok ads for this heated blanket. In this video, she hooked us with 5 reasons why we should get this heated blanket, and then she showed us using the product, and at the end she had a call to action telling the viewers to shop now. I highly recommend Shopify ads. The link is in the description if you want to get custom ads. Now that we have the videos, without wasting any more time, let's set up and run the TikTok ad campaigns and hopefully start seeing some sales. In order to run ads, we're gonna need a new TikTok ad account, but the great news is TikTok gave me a special link that you and I could both use so that we could get free advertising credit. Check this out, guys. This is crazy. If you spend $100, TikTok is gonna give you a free $100 ad credit. If you spend $500, you get $500, and if you spend $1,500, they're gonna give you $1,500 back. Make sure you click the right link. So if you live in the United States, click this first link, but if you live in the UK, click this link. You get the point, and you have to use my link because this is not available to the public. So since I'm spending my remaining $254 on ads, I'm actually going to qualify for the free $100 ad credit. So I'm going to add that to my balance. Now I have $354 to spend on ads. Be sure you guys take advantage of this. This is literally the best time to get started with dropshipping. I'm going to go ahead and create my TikTok ad account. Okay, so now I'm inside my new TikTok ad account. The plan today is to create a surf scaling campaign and spend the entire remaining $354 balance on ads and see if we will end up with a big profit tonight. So I'm going to set up the surf scaling campaign right now, and I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step tutorial. The reason why I'm going for the surf scaling strategy is because it is the best testing and scaling strategy these days. I've been surf scaling on all my stores lately because it really helps me get those really low CPMs, CPCs, and CPAs. So I'm going to create a campaign right now. First, hit the create button, choose custom mode, and next choose website conversions. I'm going to rename this campaign to Surf Scale 1. I'm not going to touch any of these options, so hit continue. Rename the ad group, choose your TikTok pixel, and select complete payment as your optimization event. Next, select placements and turn these off. In advanced settings, I'm going to turn off comments. For targeting, I'm going to choose automatic targeting, but later on, I'm going to duplicate this ad group 10 times. 5 will be set at automatic targeting, and the other 5 ad groups will be set at custom targeting. I'll get more into that in a bit. For locations, I'm going to choose United States and Canada. For the daily budget, I'm going to set it at $20, which is the minimum. For day parting, I like to start my ads at 10 a.m. and run them until 12 a.m. Down here, leave it at conversion and lowest cost, then hit next. Now we're in the ad level. I just set up my custom identity, so it's my brand name ToastyNet, and I uploaded a picture of the logo. Next, I'm gonna turn on smart creative ads, which is very important because this is gonna allow me to upload multiple videos, so that way when my ads are running, TikTok is gonna automatically split test my creatives and push more ad spend on the winning ads. Next, I'm gonna upload my 5 videos and add 3 text lines. Okay, so I uploaded the 5 videos and added 3 text lines. Keep the text nice and simple. For example, this one says get the ToastyNet for 50% off plus free shipping. For the call to action button, I like to only use the shop now button. Paste the link, then hit submit. Okay, so the first ad group is created, but we're not done yet. I still have to duplicate this ad group 9 more times so that I can have a total of 10 ad groups. The only difference with these ad groups is that 5 of these ad groups will have custom interests, so do research on your product and put what makes sense. For example, this ad group is targeting apparel and accessories. Okay, so we created the surf campaign. As you can see, we have 10 ad groups set at a $20 daily budget. These ads are in review, but it's 6 a.m. right now, and hopefully these ads start running at 10 a.m. and hopefully we end up making a profit, because that's the goal of this challenge. I'll be back later tonight to give you guys an update. Let's go. Got the first sale. Yeah, 2 checking out. Bunch of people on the website right now. There are 12 people on the website right now, and I just got a sale. Let's go. $500 in sales. This is crazy, guys. It is the final hour of the challenge. Wow. Alright, the challenge is now over, and I have some exciting news to share with you guys. Let's take a look at the Shopify results, but first, let's hit that refresh button. Today the store hit $1,500 in sales, which is absolutely insane because this is my very first day running ads on this store. I've got a total of 17 orders. Some customers ordered 2 units and some of them purchased the express shipping option. Take a look at the sessions. As you can see, at 10 a.m. the traffic started to come in, and as the day went on, I kept surfing the daily budget by doubling them every 3 hours, which is why you see the traffic gradually increasing throughout the day. That's why we call it surf scaling. Now let's take a look at the TikTok ads. As you can see, today we spent $348 on ads. The CPC is 49 cents and the CPM is $10.74, which is great. The click-through rate is 2.19%, which means the videos we got from Shopify ads performed really well today. The CPA is $20.50. The reason why I turned off these 6 ad groups was because I started them in the morning and immediately I was hit with high CPCs and CPMs, and I didn't get any sales on them, which is why I turned them off. But for the remaining 4 ad groups, I was getting sales, low CPM CPCs, which is why every 3 hours I kept doubling the daily budget. That's pretty much how surf scaling works. You just turn off the bad ad groups and double the daily budget on the high performing ad groups. Then on the next day you reset the daily budget back to $20 and repeat the whole process again. Now let's calculate the profit. I spent $348.57 on TikTok ads. Then I spent $470.25 on product cost, and then I spent $16 for the Shopify and the domain name. That leaves me with a profit of $696.97, which is a 45% profit margin. That is another successful dropshipping challenge for the win. If this video gets 500 likes, I will continue pushing this store to the next level and document everything to share with you guys. I do have a full course on everything you need to know about the surf scaling strategy. Join the Discord to learn all about the different kinds of surfing methods. And don't forget, if you want to sign up for a new TikTok ad account, be sure to use the link in my description or in my pinned comments to take advantage of the free advertising credit. You could get up to $1,500 in free money to invest into your dropshipping business, so it would be silly if you didn't use my link. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.